Let's get into the flow with the CPA firm of the future. I want to talk about workflow. I've been talking about things or attributes that you would find in a CPA firm of the future. The people who are the team members, the technology that they use, the fact that you shouldn't see very much paper sitting around on desks and on the floor. The concept of workflow is how CPAs handle, manage, and input data. Most work that CPAs do is compliance-based. They prepare income tax returns, they prepare financial statements. That's not where the value, though, is for most customers of CPA firms. Take a client of a CPA firm that is a successful, closely held business and the owner or owners of that business. Yes, they need income tax returns done. Yes, they need financial statements prepared. But the true value that CPAs can offer to those clients, that CPA firms of the future can offer to those clients, are more forward-looking services like profitability planning, cash flow planning, relationships with lenders and other constituents who serve that business. Yet, that client is expecting the CPA to also take care of what I call the stuff. Yes, we've got to get our tax returns done, file our sales tax returns, our payroll tax returns, get our financial statements done. But oh, by the way, I don't see much value as a client in that. Where I see the value is sitting down with you, Mr. or Mrs. CPA, every month or quarter to work on my business and its profitability going forward. But yes, I expect you to get the stuff done. So workflow is how the CPA firm of the future manages that basic fundamental work that the high-end client also requires the CPA to do. Handling, managing, inputting data to get tax returns done, to get financial statements done. The CPA almost has to perceive their business as being two separate and distinct businesses. One is this business of just handling, managing, and inputting data to get the basic compliance work done. The second business is the business of actually rendering valuable consulting, forward-looking services to their very best clients, which requires face-to-face time and meetings, careful thought and planning, and some significant brain power. CPAs who are not really good at workflow, handling, managing, and inputting data, using technology and people, trying to avoid paper to get that stuff done, they simply will not have time to sit down in front of the very best clients and work on the very important things that the clients are willing to pay much more money for, because a CPA would be in a position to offer much more value. Okay? If you can't get those other basics down, if your workflow really stinks because you just don't know how to run that part of the business, the CPA will never have time to truly offer great value to their very best clients. And everybody will suffer. The CPA firm will not flourish. It will not be a CPA firm of the future, and their very best clients of that firm will not be getting the value they want and deserve, and will ultimately leave and become some other CPA firm of the future's very best client. So workflow, very important issue if you want to be a true CPA firm of the future.